Hi guys, welcome back. Today, as you can see, I will be trying the very infamous green mask stick that I've seen all over TikTok. It's basically supposed to like remove all texture and pores from your skin and making you look like an absolute doll or made of wax. Do I believe it? I don't know. We have to test this out. Now, I actually bought this on Amazon along with the other very infamous eggplant mask, which I will be trying in another video, for 12 pounds or so. Oh my god. It's dirty. Can y'all see that? Like, it's got a little of dirt. That's a little greasy and ratchet, not gonna lie. Ooh, it's very smooth. Look at that. Okay, does it smell of anything? Like green tea or something? No smell, no scent at all. I'm gonna do like a lip swatch. I'm gonna be like a Kylie Jenner. You guys, so this is my new lipstick shade. It's called Green Matcha. It's ew. It's literally the color of like swamp monsters and like mud. Super juicy, great for the summertime. It will give you such luscious lips. I'm actually gonna show you a close-up on my skin. As you can see, there is a little bit of redness all over. There's also a little bit of blackheads on the nose, some blackheads on the cheeks, and big pores, which apparently this is supposed to get rid of, as well as just a little bit of texture, especially like around my nostrils right here. I am a little scared, not gonna lie. I don't want it to get stuck on my beard, especially because then like, is it gonna be hard to remove? Oh my god, this looks so green. Guys, it does not feel good. What is this? Oh my god. It does feel cooling, but it feels just very slimy. Okay, let me apply it on the chin because that's especially where I see most TikToks on. Like, it's supposed to get rid of those little chin bumps, which I do have. Okay, so it's not burning. I'm surprised that I would have imagined this was gonna burn off my skin, but it feels okay. I want my skin to be blurry. I want it to look like a Snapchat filter, an Instagram filter. I always wanted to do. I'm getting the plastic surgery to look like the Instagram filters. So it is now 6:46 p.m. I don't know if you can tell. And yeah, I'll see you in 20 minutes. Maybe I'll update you even sooner if my skin starts burning off. We'll see. So we are now 10 minutes in, it's 6:59 p.m. and something is happening. I can see like a little black stuff here. Cause if you watch the video, some black seeds or blackheads are supposed to come up of our skin. Oh my god, I see another one here. Can you see it or is it in my mind? No guys, I'm not kidding. I really do see it, like more are popping up now. What is this sorcery? I didn't think it was gonna work, and it's not even stinging like maybe salicylic acid would or the ordinary peel. Nothing. Oh my god. Okay, come through. It is now 7:04, so it's almost about 20 minutes. So let me just take this off and let's see how our skin looks like. Does it look blurred after this? Oh my god, wait, I do see. Can you see it? It is blurred. Oh my god. Or wait, is it just the green? Wait, low-key, it is kind of blurred? I'm not making this up. Okay, but still, none of the black stuff came out of my skin. That was very disappointing because it did not look like the videos at all. I do still think that the blackheads are here. Like, you can see these little pimples here. I think my skin definitely looks a little less red, but that is just because this was green, and so it's the color correction. Just like if you go in with a green concealer for makeup. Oh my god, it's on my mouth. Oh my god, it doesn't taste good. I mean, guys, I don't see no difference, to be honest. Maybe, but just like I'm very harsh judgment. Do you guys see anything? Like, am I being crazy? Wait. It's starting to burn now. Okay, it's starting to give me like a tingling, itchy feel. I do not like this. Okay, guys, so the mask is now all removed. This is what my skin looks like. I'm gonna give you a close-up. Honestly, I don't see no difference at all. My skin does not feel moisturized, and green tea is supposed to be moisturizing, anti-inflammatory purposes. My skin is maybe just the tiniest amount less red, but then again, I do see more redness in these pimples right here, so maybe it even inflamed them. I got no idea. Definitely nothing that is too crazy. I've seen other mask like the Axis Y mask that is way better. It soothes your skin so well. This one honestly does nothing. Wait, my skin smells funky. It smells of plastic. It smells of rotten. It's just lingering here. What is that? Okay, so this is it. This was the mask. Absolutely very underwhelming, very underperformative. I do not look like a filter. Why can I not look like a filter ever? I will absolutely not be using this again. I will, however, want to try the eggplant one. Maybe it's just different. I'll make another video right now trying it. So yeah, if you want to get rid of your blackheads, use salicylic acid, lactic acid, and the whatnots. Definitely not this mask. To blur your pores, to reduce the size of your pores, arguably there's nothing that you can do. You're just stuck with them. Apart for if you try intracell or like ultrasound for radio frequency to like tighten your skin, but that you can't do it at home. You need to go to a clinic. Honestly guys, don't buy it. It is not worth it. There are so many different options you can see on my Instagram, on my TikTok, and even on this YouTube channel, because this is all about skincare. So if you want to learn better ways and better products to get rid of any concerns you might have for your skin, make sure to join because we would love to have you here. You can also again follow me on my Instagram and YouTube for more beauty tips. But excuse me ma'am, what do you think you're doing? You're not gonna get this video. What you need to do right now is click one of these two videos here, just as informative, informational, what it is you. But when you do that, remember to be random and always be random.